What's up YouTube? GOI here. I did a secret giveaway. I'm going to start doing them every now and then. I won't be in the titles, I won't be saying there's giveaways. It's just up to you guys to watch the videos, and it's mainly for you guys who actually watch the videos to win something. Yeah, so last one was actually, I'm not even going to tell you. If you've missed it, you've missed it. The draw for that will be on the 23rd of July. Also did another giveaway in a pack off against mystery packs. So that one's not a secret one, that one's there. So you go look for that if you haven't entered that already. Like I said, I'm going to stick with Yu-Gi-Oh until I get at least one decent pull, and then I'll start mixing it up again. I think it's ridiculous that I think I've opened nearly 25 packs of Yu-Gi-Oh. Fuck all. Also, I'll talk about that later. Summons Gate. Oh, this was Invasion Vengeance for it, so Doki Doki, Crystal Entry, Red Eyes Insight, and a Staring Venom Fusion Dragon. Okay, so this is the box art dragon, and I don't believe it's that valuable or that good, to be honest. You never see photos of it on Instagram or anything, so I doubt it is anything decent. I could be wrong. I mean, I was hoping for totally, so that's why I'm not psyched about it, but whatever. Let's read it. Let's read it. 2 dark monsters on the field, accept tokens. If this card is fusion summoned, you can make this card gain attack equal to 1 special summon monster from your opponent's control until the end of this turn. Once per turn, you can target 1 level 5 or higher monster your opponent controls until the end of this turn. This card's name becomes the monster original's name and replaces this effect with that monster's original effect. If this fusion summon card is destroyed, you can destroy all special summon monsters your opponent controls. Quite good, isn't it, actually? It's got a whole field out, pop that bad boy, and then it's all fucked. Slifer Twin Raptor, Amazing Pendulum, Paleozoic Legionella, Flower, Cardian, Penu the Butterfly. Awesome, so there we go. I was going to mention earlier on that I'm going to start a petition up. Whether Konami or not listens is a whole other story. Whether we get enough people to sign it is a whole other story. But yeah, start a petition to try and get Ultimates and Ghost Reds back. I very much doubt it's going to happen, but if we sign it, could happen. Live on hopes and dreams. It's the only way to live. Anyway, go check out the website www.geekout-industries.com, and as always, don't freak out, geek out. So I just checked, and this is a good card. Can't find it for any less than £15. So did not know that. Shows how much I play Yu-Gi-Oh now. Completely quit, but I'm going to be coming back for the link summons because I think that's going to be a great format. It's going to slow down the game a fuckload, and I'm looking forward to it. Bought loads of decks. In fact, I'm going to give one of the new starter decks away, one of the link starter decks. So watch out for that video. Yeah, awesome card. So I'll do Pokemon tomorrow. Why do I always wink when I do that? It's fucking weird, isn't it?